Hello YouTube, welcome to the War Zone. I'm Scruffy, and this is Scruffy Tales. And there will be some background noise because there's some wind out and about. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be a, speaking of wind, different video concerning YouTube money and can you make money when you're not in the big leagues? And, well, I'm a small-time military nerd YouTuber. I have currently 4,800 subscribers, and I reached 1,000 subscribers roughly 6 months ago. Well, more than that. It was in December, halfway through December of 2023. And what I think I've made some 220 videos, and I made roughly 100 videos before I reached 1,000 subscribers. And so can I make money? Well, as you can see here, in May, I made $177.88, and June is still ongoing, and you know, we'll see where we end up. I'm not chasing money. I'm not chasing revenue. I make videos when I feel like it. But yeah, sure. If I really, really wanted to make a living out of this, I would make 2 or 3 videos about CV90s every week, and then I would be a rich man because those videos seem to be doing all right. So how does this work? Well, yeah, like I said, I'm a small-time YouTuber. This is a hobby, but I roughly make on average $2.59 for every 1,000 views. So if a video has 2,000 views, I get, you know, a little bit more than $5 for that video. And if we take my most successful video so far, is how Swedish weapons are defeating Russian Ukraine, which has a little bit more than 51,000 views. And so far I've made $107 from that video alone, roughly earning $2.11 per 1,000 views. And so yeah, so I mean, these are very low numbers for being YouTube, right? So imagine the YouTubers that have 10 million subscribers and they have 1 or 2 million views per video. Jesus Christ, are you telling you? I mean, they are making cash. Jesus Christ. But this is a hobby so far for me, and yeah, you know, I make some money. It's always nice to have some extra cash on hand when you're buying stuff for the kids, or you know, want to be nice to the wife and buy her whatever, a book or whatever it is she wants, you know, stuff like that. So, but I mean, yeah, it's a hobby, and you can make money out of it, you know, depending on, well, depending on, just give it time and some work and some love, and you know, people will start subscribing, and you will in the end make money as soon as you hit those 1,000 subscribers. I think you can start making money even at 500. Oh, a bit unclear, but yeah, 1,000 that's the big threshold. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, that's when you can begin to earn revenue. And it's kind of fun. I don't really go into the details of how to promote my videos. You get a whole bunch of boxes you can tick to how to set the video up for the algorithm. I just, you know, basically hit yeah. I don't want to. I just hit the on the phone basically. Give me money. I don't go mess around with the nitty-gritty details. And I mean, I curse and I swear and I say a lot of weird stuff, so that may or may not affect the revenue I get. But yeah, I kind of want to be me, so I curse because I curse a lot in real life. So that's why I think if I really put effort into, you know, setting up each video to maximize revenue, I would probably be making a couple of dollars more per 1,000 views. But yeah, it's a hobby. I'm not chasing dollars at the moment. You never know. 6 months from now, who knows? I might quit my job and nah, I don't think so. But it's a fun hobby, and you know, I'm fortunate that I can actually have a hobby that I make money from, right? So yeah, so this is basically it. Even if you're a small-time YouTuber, if you get people to view your stuff, I mean, as soon as you reach 1,000, you really just need to have one or two a couple of lucky videos that go viral and have something like 200,000 views, and holy hell, you make a lot of cash, right? So yeah, I mean, it's fun. As soon as you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can start making a lot of money actually from doing your hobby, which is pretty amazing. And I actually have one more channel, the Nerd Zone. Since when I started this whole YouTube thing, I wasn't really sure what I was gonna be doing with my channel, and then I kind of fell into the rabbit hole that is Ukraine, and I realized I can't really mix Ukraine with sci-fi and fantasy and weird shit like that. So I made a second channel where I'm making videos about science fiction. At the moment, it's been a lot about the Dune franchise and Star Wars and stuff like that. So 49 videos and the amazing 12 subscribers. Ha ha ha. Yeah, won't be making any money from that channel anytime soon, but it is what it is, and I'm making videos because it's fun. I enjoy making them, so it's not really about the money. It's about having fun talking about stuff I want to talk about, right? So yeah, so I got the War Zone, I got the Nerd Zone, and I'm making videos because it's fun and I enjoy doing it, basically. And I do recommend doing this. If you have an interest or an idea that you want to share, I mean, just do it. You can just use your own phone, and then you can upload that video to your YouTube channel, to your YouTube account, and then you have yourself a video, and your channel has its first video ever. And I mean, then all it comes down to is giving it time and some love, and you can in the end make money from your hobby. Make money doing something you enjoy. And so yeah, I recommend doing it because it's fun to express yourself and see the subscribers increase and reading the comments in the comment section, even the stupid ones. The stupid ones, I promise, if you start a YouTube channel, you will enjoy the stupid comments. I guarantee it. It's part of the appeal of YouTube. 100% guaranteed. Now, if you stuck with me this far in this video, I would like to highlight my most important video, Operation JDEX 1. It is a real story that took place during the Congo crisis, and it details an operation when the UN fought, and I shit you not, this is the absolute truth. The UN fought, as it says, a cannibal uprising. And not only a cannibal uprising, it was a communist cannibal uprising. And it's all true. It's so amazing. And so I'll try and remember to provide links to this video because, yeah, it is an incredible story. And in the middle of it, you have two Swedish soldiers, Captain Stig von Beyer and Lieutenant Torvald Mad Swede Glantz. And they were right smack in the middle of this amazing operation, JDEX 1, where they went out into the jungle and fought communist cannibals while rescuing nuns from missionary stations. Just incredible. So I highly recommend this video. I think it's my most important one because this is completely forgotten in Sweden. I'm Swedish, by the way, and I mean, I guarantee you, no one has ever heard of this if you ask them. So this is my most important video. I tried to retell it to the best of my abilities. So most of it is true, not 100%, because I can't guarantee that I gotten everything right, but most of it is basically true. So please check that one out. JEDX1, when the UN fought a cannibal uprising. So yeah, that's gonna have to be the end of the video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you're thinking about making something, a video for YouTube, just do it. See you around.